In this tutorial, you will learn how to edit and clone projects in StaffViz with just a few simple steps. On your StaffViz web application, find the Projects and Tasks option and click it. From the drop-down menu, select Projects, and a new dashboard will open up on the right. Now, in this project's dashboard, you'll see a list of all your projects. You can even search for a specific project using the search bar at the top. Navigate the project you want to edit. Here, click the Action option to find further option. From these options, select the Edit option. This new panel is the Edit Project panel. Here, you can update all the project details like project name, color, and description. Similarly, you can expand or cut the budget. Even the project type can be changed from ongoing to once-time and vice versa. Moving further, you have option to specify if the project is still billable or not. Lastly, you can change managers, change assignees, viewers, and clients too. Make the changes you need, and when you're done, just hit Update. And that's it. Your project is now updated with the latest details. Now, let's say you want to clone a project. Maybe you're working on something similar and don't want to start from scratch. Just navigate again to the Action button and select the Clone option. Here, on this pop-up, you can change the name for the cloned project. Here you can see all the current assignees within this project. Using this check option, you can clone the project with or without assignees. Lastly, click the Clone button and a new cloned project will be created. This will create a duplicate of your project with all the same details. You can adjust if needed, and you're good to go. And there you have it. Editing and cloning projects in StaffViz is that simple. Keep watching for more updates on StaffViz.